Okay, so here we are in the platter comp, and let's just watch our commercial really quick. So we have all those little Ritz crackers disappearing. Let me try to get a better shot. Okay, there. So we've got all these little Ritz crackers on this platter, and then they disappear kind of with the music. If we look at our comp here, we only have one little white Ritz cracker, and if we look at our cheat sheet, then we have a bunch of crackers in there. So we need to duplicate this white Ritz to recreate these other crackers. So I'm just going to hit Command or Apple D on the keyboard and just move this little cracker over. Whoops. You don't want to grab you make sure to not select on the little yellow areas where the masks are. Otherwise you'll move those points. So I'm just going to move this little cracker down here. And I want to change the color, and because it's a shape layer, then I can just easily click on the white color up here, and you could either sort of try to find the right color, but in this case I have the proper hex codes for all of these colors. So to get red, then we just type in 9F1F1A, and then that's my nice red color. So I'm going to name this Red Ritz 1, and then also change the layer color so it's easy for me to tell exactly what cracker I'm on. So I'm going to duplicate this one and move it down, and then keep going with this process. I'll duplicate it, move it over. That looks okay for now. We might have to rearrange these, and so we have 2 red, 2 cream, and 2 orange crackers, and so I'm going to change this color. And so for the cream color, the hex code is FFE092. And so I'm just going to name this Cream Ritz 1, and also change the layer color to peach so that it looks similar to the cream color. I'm going to duplicate that one again and move it right about there, and duplicate again, move it up here, and now this one needs to be orange, so I'll select on the color again and type in FF8110 for the orange color, and we want to name this one Orange Ritz 1, and change the layer color to orange, and duplicate it, and move that duplicated layer down to be about in the middle here. And then you can use the arrows on your keyboard to sort of line stuff up a little bit better, which I think maybe this guy could move over a tad. This guy could maybe move in. Maybe this one can go out a little bit and down. And that looks pretty good. So we have nothing happening. We just have all of our little crackers on there. So to get them to disappear to the music, if we look at our cheat sheet, it looks like we have animation, or I guess the little crackers popping off right at 15 frames. So I'm just going to move my scrub bar to 15 frames, grab that orange Ritz, I think is the first one that disappears. Let's watch. Alright, so it looks like the orange one disappears and then the cream one right after that. So 15 frames, I'm just going to hit Option and that closing bracket. I'm going to move 3 frames because that's pretty quick, and then delete. Well, not delete, do the Option bracket so that that cream one disappears. And then let's see what else we have going on. Okay, so then we have those, the cream and the bottom red cracker disappear at the same time. So I'm going to move ahead another 3 frames, and then Option bracket the red Ritz and that other cream guy. And then let's watch one more time. Alright, so then we have the red one disappear, the last one, so I'm going to move ahead another 3 frames, Option bracket that. And then the white one disappears and this orange one stays on there. So let's move another 3 frames and then just get rid of that white Ritz. Now if we look at our cheat sheet here, if we just move these Cream Ritz layers over, then we can make sure we've got a same kind of thing going on, and it looks like we do. So let's RAM preview what we've got. Alright, so we have all those little crackers disappearing pretty quickly, and it looks pretty darn accurate. So that is it for the platter comp.